This is too much. Madness for 3 years, Ezego. How can a normal person like me be mad for 3 years just because I want to make money?
You think you're normal without money?
I'm not senior, you're not senior. I'm senior with like 15 years old. So sometimes when I become online, they give you all this advice. Don't be saying I'm not going to do with my time. People pay for this advice I'm giving you for free. But all the time when I don't advise you before, you look me less and you post me for my face. I will never advise you again before God and man.
Who tells you that you are normal without money? The difference between the rich and the poor is information. The reason why A is richer than B is nothing but information. Information can lift you up from a particular level to another level. If you don't have much information, especially when it comes to finances, financial information is very, very important. If you don't have it, you won't be able to make that particular amount of money you are wishing to make. If they want to check your wish list now, most of you don't get like 500 million for wish list, 1 billion for wish list, 100 million for wish list. But you are doing a salary job and you don't have other informations to back up your dreams. This is where it is disastrous and dangerous. You need information. Right now, as you are staying there watching this video, you don't know that you can get a $3,000 with just $29. You don't know. You don't know that you can get $10,000 with just $88, even up to $500,000 with just a minimum amount of $4,000, depending. If they are on discount, it will be more less than that. But you don't know why. You don't have the information. Just go to the link in this video description, click on that link and register an account with 10 Trade. When you register an account with 10 Trade, what you do is that you come back to this video, click on the Telegram link. That channel link is a new channel. I just created that channel for this particular purpose. Okay, just click on that link. When you click on that link, join that channel and you can message me on Telegram from that link. Then we can communicate either on WhatsApp or on Telegram, so that I will guide you how to make money. You don't just have to depend on your physical business to be successful or rich. Let me tell you, the only way you can get rich in 2026 is by you working on both sides, both offline and online. Create a multiple source of income for yourself. I don't mean buy a land, buy a car, start selling them, open one shop or the other, open a barbering shop, paying people to start working. Those things still help, but there is difference between the money you are making in dollars online and the money that you are making in naira offline. Many of you don't even know that there's money online. Okay, a lot of you just see content creators as people that are less busy, people that don't have a job or work to do. See, let me tell you, content creators are making so much money. A lot of people are making money through animations, AI. A lot of people are making money through this. There is money online, bro. The reason why you are there is because you don't have information. What you need right now is information. That is why I created that particular Telegram channel. The link is in the description of this video. Click on the Telegram link, join that channel, and you can message me from that Telegram channel. I have pinned my username that you can message me with, and you can also chat on WhatsApp if you want. Then I will guide you through. I don't ask you to pay anything. I don't have to pay anything. Just follow the step, so that I will guide you through. And don't forget to click on the link and get an account, your account registered with 10 Trade. And if you don't register your account and you message me, I won't be able to proceed because I will have other people to attend to. What will happen here is that just register an account. After registering an account, send me a screenshot. When you forward me a screenshot, I will know that you've registered an account with 10 Trade already, and I will attend to you no matter what. So I want to give you an information you've never heard before. I want to guide you through on something you've never heard or seen before, and this thing will help you in the next 3 to 6 months. You yourself, you will testify that your life has changed, and there's a difference between where you were doing your physical business without information, nobody like me guiding you or telling you something, than now that you've seen someone like me coaching you, guiding you and telling you what you have to do. So some people will come to online and telling you how to get rich 2026, how to become a celebrity 2026. They will not tell you the main thing. They will just tell you what you have to do. They will tell you create a multiple source of income, try to gather funds online because there is money online, and they won't give you the exact system, the exact place you can get all these things done. So I'm here to give you that exact place, the exact system, and the exact strategy you can get all these things done. Please don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like and share this video. In anything you do for this life, no say you are not normal, you don't have money. See you guys in my next video. Thank you for watching this video.